Places for top of host segment, places for top of host segment.
Man, the hosts are taking a really long time.
I know. Let me try again. Places for top of host segment. We are missing the host.
I stayed up memorizing the lines and everything.
I know, me too.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I went through like 5 decaps or something. It didn't really work though.
Wait. If I know the lines, and you know the lines, that means we can do the segment.
You mean take the host spot?
Yeah, I mean like, we need footage today and, well.
What's going on? Where's the host? Why don't we see there? What's happening?
Alright, fine. Let's do it.
Okay, I think I've got it ready now. By the way, since we're the new hosts, I think we need some new scenery.
Yeah, the place that the hosts pick is kind of gloomy.
Yeah. Imagine if we had like movie magic or something where things can just change like... Whoa, wait, it actually worked.
I guess it did.
Oh, I'm Mia. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. And this is CCA-TV Season 27.
It didn't work. Okay, hold on. I think it works like Wi-Fi or something.
Just cut to the intro. So glad to have bought tickets to grad night.
Yeah, I sure do love dancing with my friends.
Yeah. Ugh. This script kind of sucks.
Yeah, do you even know what we're doing?
Well, it says here that we have to do a silent disco to introduce grad night.
Oh yeah, I still don't know what that is.
Well, let's take a look.
Hey, are you free tonight?
Nah, man, I'm busy.
Okay, see ya.
Because I'm going to grad night.
It's not the prettiest car, but it's a spaceship design kind of thing. It looks like a car from the future from when I was a little kid. Cup holders. We got baby wipes. So the trunk, right? Got all the space in here. Tons of junk in here, right? So I got the changing mat. What makes this car very special? Comes with a full bathroom. What do I even have in here? I don't even know. More cup holders. Hold the water. Got your drill ready to go if you got to fix something on the fly. You guys know the Prius goes 0 to 60 in like 5.3 minutes, something like that. Prius is the hydrogen bonding of cars, right? It's the best kind of car, right? Ferraris, forget about it. Probably use a good washing in this car.
What is Prep for Peers?
So Prep for Peers is a student-run organization that creates practice opportunities.
I think the best part is that it's created by students and for students. And the students really wanted to make an impact on the next generation students.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
No, you're reading the wrong thing.
Oh.
Man, we have to do this and the arts segment.
We're not the arts host.
Well, then who is? It still didn't work.
Just let me do it.
I'm Kayla.
And I'm Danielle.
And this is Arts. Can't believe it's already semester 2.
It's already season 27.
Yeah. So much is going on at CCA right now, especially in Vision Cinema.
Definitely, it's a great program.
Let's see what's going on with them.
Roll sound.
Speeding.
Roll camera.
Rolling.
Scene 1, alpha, take 1. Marker.
Action.
My name is Brad Kester, and I'm the Envision Cinema Coordinator working with the Film and Video pathway. Our pathway consists of the introductory video film class.
I really love how we're allowed to express ourselves creatively, and I like how we get to do partnership with other people. I've learned how to edit and how to produce a storyline that makes sense and is my vision.
As well as the advanced video film class.
So every week you'll have to work on a project for each episode of CCA-TV.
And this is CCA-TV.
And this is CCA-TV.
CCA-TV.
Your work is not just like an assignment you turn in, but it's actually something the whole school sees.
And then we also have a couple enrichment courses, Cinema Lab, where students work a little more independently on an independent project, and also our after-school Envision Cinema Conservatory.
What I like most about making films is how collaborative the process is. You get to work with other creatives to make films and make projects together, and it fosters this unique kind of collaboration with both creative and practical collaboration.
Hey dude, what are you building?
Oh, this is a mini camera for the Mini Cine Fest.
That's not what Mini Cine is.
It's not.
The Mini Cine Fest is a district-wide film competition that takes place over the course of 48 hours. From tomorrow to the 5th, teams made up of 1 to 4 people will plan, shoot, and edit their films before the deadline at 4:30 p.m. that Sunday. The sign-up deadline is later tonight at 10 p.m., so be sure to sign up ASAP if you're interested.
Speaking of conservatory, Vocal Conservatory has a performance coming up, February 5th, 3 p.m. at La Jolla. Let's check it out.
Being in Vocal Conservatory is such a fun experience because we all have the same goal of improving our voices. We work on many different styles of music, we work in solos and groups, and it's a really great experience to work with other singers. We have an upcoming performance on February 5th at 3 p.m. at the Athenaeum in La Jolla, and we are going to be singing a piece called I Never Saw Another Butterfly, which is an arrangement of poems written by children who were in concentration camps. So it's a very heavy topic, but we really wanted to honor lives of children that were lost.
The chamber orchestra, jazz band, guitar ensemble, and vocal conservatory, and also Envision Visual Arts have been preparing for this show since the beginning of spring term. You can buy your tickets online through the CCA Foundation website for $45, or you can buy them the day of the event at the door at the La Jolla Athenaeum for $50.
That was arts. See you next time.
Last week, we recognized National Holocaust Remembrance Day during homeroom.
Let's take a look at the butterfly project that occurred last Friday during lunch.
Good morning, Ravens. This is Mr. Killeen, your principal. To ensure a positive future, we need to make sure that we do not forget the past. And as a No Place for Hate school, we take time, like millions of other caring people across our world, to pay respect to the innocent lives taken as a result of hate during the Holocaust. Many of those taken were young, thriving people like you, and the least we can do is to honor their memory, combat hate, and make sure this never happens again in our world.
Man, being host is pretty hard.
Yeah, it's a lot more work than I thought it was.
Yeah.
I think you guys are doing pretty good.
Thanks, Mike Guy.
Stay memorable, CCA.